Good morning, children. This is Swati, Faculty of Social Studies in DAV Louis Vika Bharati Vidya Mandir. Let us continue our lesson, Our Earth. In this lesson, we are going to explain the topic about the Earth grid system. Before going to start the Earth grid system, I will say one example, children. We will go to the some abnormal place, or we are moving to the some areas. At that, if you will not find the direction at a particular area or place or a way. In olden days, we used to ask people, no, that is passed away. But nowadays, the technology improves a lot. Whenever we will feel that are not finding the way and confused in our way, then immediately we will switch on to our mobile phones, isn't it? And we will ask Google Map, so and place we need the way, then immediately we will get the route map, and with the direction, with the speed we go to the particular speed, at what time we will reach our destination, and it will also indicate us about kilometers also. That is 100 kilometers to the right turn. We will take left turn is 200 kilometers, like that indications also, isn't it? Yes, children. Now let me ask question. How do Google Maps such a indications? Yes, it is based on the imaginary line which drawn on the globe. They were called as latitudes and longitudes. Okay, what are latitudes? Our earth is divided by the horizontal line or horizontal circles if passes through from the center of the earth. That is called as 0 degree latitude. The word latitude is derived from the Latin word latitudo, means width. So, this horizontal circles divided into two equal halves is named as its 0 degree is assigned. It is named as equator. Do you know? Equator is the longest latitude in the globe. Equator is divided into two equal halves. See the given picture. The two equal equator is divided into two equal halves and two hemisphere. The meaning of the hemisphere is half a part or half a sphere. See the given picture, and this is the equator, it is 0 degree. No, this is the north pole and this is the south pole. This is north pole and it is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The half of the spheres that lies between equator and the north pole, equator and the north pole, is called as northern hemisphere. This is south pole, no? This is south pole. The half part that lies between the 0 degree equator to the south pole, the half sphere, is called as southern hemisphere. See the next big, children. It is an earth. It is in spherical in shape. And the directions, that is north, south, east, west are there. So on the earth. So that these are imaginary lines in the same styles. Some another imaginary lines also there were called as longitudes. That is in semicircles, that is drawn from the north pole to the south pole. So that it is drawn from the north pole and the south pole is longitudes. This is called as 0 degree longitude. It here 0 degree will be in the south pole. So the longitudes is derived from the Latin word, it is longitudo, means length or height. It is not full of circles. It is eastern direction and western directions. Observe here. Here eastern direction and western direction. The half part that lies to the east side is called as eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. And the half sphere that is lies in the west side of 0 degree longitude is called as western hemisphere. So our earth is divided into 4 hemisphere. Once you observe here, our earth is divided into the 4 hemisphere. See the given pictures here. Equator is divided into 2 hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And whereas 0 degree longitude is divided our earth into 2 hemisphere, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Yes. Now let me explain latitude and longitude in detail. Now latitude. These latitudes are parallel. We can take one example. Railway track, they are never meet to each other. Okay. Then how many latitudes are there in the southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere? So 90 in the south. See the picture. 90 in the south and 90 in the north side. Total how many latitudes are there? 180 latitudes are there. But equator will not find. Equator will not find. Out of equator, 90 latitudes are in the northern hemisphere and remaining 90 latitudes are in the southern hemisphere. Total 180 latitudes are there. So these are called with degrees. So see the next picture, children. Equator is the longest line in the latitudes. Once you observe here equator, it is equator. Some latitudes were given in some specific names in order to explain about the climatic conditions of the areas of the earth. Let us see. 23 half degree north latitudes is called as Tropic of Cancer. Observe that. 23 half degree latitudes north is called as Tropic of Cancer and 23 half degree south it is Tropic of Capricorn and 66 half degree north it is Arctic Circle and 66 half degree south it is an Antarctic Circle, isn't it? That 90 degree north pole is called as north pole and south pole it is at 90 degrees. These are the main latitudes on the basis of this only. Our earth is divided into 3 climatic zones. Do you know that? 3 climatic zones. Tropical zone, temperate zone and polar zone or frigid zone. Okay, let us come to the tropical zone. Tropical zone is present between the 23 half degree north Tropic of Cancer to 23 half degree south Tropic of Capricorn. Let us observe this part, red color part we observe it is tropic region. Next, so the sun rays falls on the straight this zone. The sun rays are falls on this zone straightly. So this zone recorded very high temperature and high rainfall because this zone will receive huge amount of insolation from the sun in the form of light and heat. In the form of light and heat. And coming to the next zone, temperate zone. It is yellow color will be. Once you observe that. The temperate zone is extended between 23 half degree north to 66 half degree north. These tropics of Cancer and this Arctic Circle, and 23 degree half south to 66 half degree south. This is the Tropic of Capricorn and this Antarctic Circle. How was the climate in the temperate zone, children? Here, sun rays will be little bit slant, but in the tropic zone it is straight. In the temperate zone it is little bit slant, little bit, not slant, little bit slant. This zone will not receive too much insolation of this area. That's why here some medium and moderate temperature and climatic conditions are there. So this zone is named as temperate zone. And the next one, polar region. 66 half degree south is called as Antarctic Circle and 66 half degree north is called as Arctic Circle. That lies between the 66 half degree south to 90 degree south is called and 66 half degree north to 90 degree north pole. This zone named as polar zone or frigid zone. At this area will not get sun rays very obliquely. The rays will fall hardly they receive the sun rays. That's why to the maximum extents, then here will be the entire zone will be covered with the snow cap or ice cap. That's why they are called as polar or frigid zone. These are the important latitudes and important climatic zones. Thank you, children.